welcome back to another video. I'm Rose and this is Mia, our little helper for today. She's been our little helper and it feels like for the holidays she wants to help out a lot, so that's what she's doing. She's licking a tub of vegan cream cheese right now. So today we're gonna be making a holiday kind of like appetizer, sort of like take to a party or just eat in your own house while watching some Netflix or something. So it is a Mia, you're making too much noise, baby. It is a chive, cheese, and garlic Christmas tree, like kind of like cheesy bread sort of situation. And it's gonna be so delicious. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so that you will be notified every time a new video goes up, which is every Monday and Thursday or Wednesday. I'm trying to figure it out. We've been kind of like doing different things, trying new things, and you're still making too much noise. Making new, trying new things, and at the moment we're gonna stick to 2 recipe videos during the week. However, I'm not sure if it's gonna be Wednesday or Thursday. We'll figure it out in the next week or so. So, anywho, 2 videos for sure. Let's get veggie. Alright, so let's get started. No, leave the bowl here. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do, actually I'm gonna pour in, or drop in, yeah. We have our, I know you're like, I want some.
You mix it.
You can have this little bit left. So I have some plain vegan cream cheese in here that has been softened.
You can mix it.
I just left it out on the counter for about 30 minutes until it's softened. And next we're gonna be adding our spices, little flavorings. We have minced garlic. Let me show them first. Minced garlic, parsley, onion powder, salt and pepper going in. Awesome. And we have some chopped up chives. I'm out of breath.
They hurt my eyes.
Oh.
They hurt my eyes.
Sorry. And the full recipe for this will be linked down below. Good job, baby. Good job. And then we also have some vegan mozzarella cheese. We have half a cup of that. Again, recipe linked down below with the full ingredients and all that. All right. And here we have, go ahead, you can put it in there. No, this is not oil. This is a little bit of lemon juice to add a little bit of tartness to our cream cheese, because I always feel like this vegan cream cheese can really benefit from a little tartness. So I'm just gonna mix all this up until everything is nice and combined. And Mia's gonna eat the rest of the cream cheese. So we have 2 thin crust, pizza crusts, and this is the Pillsbury pizza dough crust. These are vegan friendly. And we're just gonna roll these, for this guy, onto my cookie tray.
And then we're going to cut it up.
It's bigger than my cookie tray, so we're gonna do it the other way. Here we go. That's the way it's supposed to go. All right. Whoopsie. All right. So you're just gonna lay it like that.
Yes, it's also squishy right here.
And using my what is this called? Hold on. No, you don't know what you're doing, baby. Using our pizza cutter, I'm gonna go straight from one end, straight up. And then the other end as well, doing the same thing. Oh, that's kind of perfect. Okay. And next, we're gonna toss this right into our pizza dough. Try not to get it all the way to the edge like I'm doing here. That way that your pizza crust could actually seal up. This is our second pizza crust. I'm going to try to just lay it right over it, like that. Yep, there we go. So far so good. Here we go. And then any excess, we're just going to cut off. I'm kind of like guesstimating, because you really can't see underneath it, but yeah, that's about right.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Next, we're going to be cutting these sort of like indents or slices inward into the tree. or to create our tree, you don't want to go all the way to the center because then your tree is not going to hold up together, right?
Can I tell them something now?
Sure.
And it needs a star on the top that it can look like actually like a real Christmas tree.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Wait.
And what you're going to do is twist your ends just like that.
Mine's not.
There we go.
Mine's not that stretchy.
You're going to twist each of these little strips.
But it's still like my slime. Can they eat a bite? Can they eat a bite too?
They can't have a bite.
Why?
Because they can't taste it.
Yes.
From where they are.
What are they?
I don't know.
Well,
I don't know. Where are you guys from? Why don't you guys tell Mia where you guys are from? She's wondering where you guys are from. Right?
where are you guys from?
Where is everybody from? I'm actually going to trim off the ends of
Do you know where
these.
Do you know what they tell you?
Just to make it look a little more
tree-like. Do you know where they tell
tree-like.
me that they live, Mom? Do you know where they tell me where they live? Do you know where?
Do I know where they live?
No, do you know where they tell me
Where?
they live?
Where? On the comments section down below?
No.
Where? Hold on, let me show you.
I'm Philly as Alvarez.
So, here is our treat. We're going to place it into the oven. The oven has been preheated at 400 degrees. And we're going in. And we'll be right back. Alright guys, so we are back. And this is what it looks like. It's so pretty and so Christmas tree-y. Christmas tree-ishy. Alright, so now what we're going to do, it was actually just bubbling. I let it kind of like stop bubbling because all the cheese, so good. Alright, next, I'm actually going to add some melted vegan butter, of course.
It's not butter.
Yes, it is.
No.
Yes, it is. What is it?
It's vegan cellars.
What?
Yeah.
So I'm just brushing this on. Trying my best not to get it on my shirt. Is my mic on? Yes, it is. Alright. So, we're just putting it on there.
Oh.
Why are we doing this part? You don't have to. If you want to keep it, you know, low on the oil kind of situation, you don't have to do this part. I'm just doing this so that all of our little stuff here can stick better. I'm actually going to sprinkle on, this is just something I thought about right now, sprinkle on a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes just to give it a little more festive look, and of course a little bit of spiciness.
Can I help you do the two things?
You can crack some pepper onto it. I'm also going to sprinkle on some Italian seasoning. So pretty.
No?
Not
yet.
How pretty is that?
How do you do that?
And, yep. Here, I'll help you out.
No, I got it.
Not so much, because it's already going to be a little spicy. And then we're doing some multicolor grounded black pepper, or multicolored pepper. And there you have it. That's it. Ta-da! Alright, so here's a taste test. Ooh, this is hot.
Taste it.
Ah, it's so hot.
Taste it.
Hold on. So I just took one of these little twists off of our situation shindig thingy over there. Mia, you're making so much noise. Here we go.
Right.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
Doesn't taste good.
Oh. You don't want any. No, you don't want any.
And the second
Offer me. Oh my goodness. Mia doesn't want any because she's eating gum. But this is the best cheesy bread I've ever had. It's so delicious and creamy. It's actually super creamy. You guys have to make it. Try it out. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram, hashtag Veggie Fam. If you make this or any of my other recipes, I would love to see what you made. And I would love to know what you think about it. I will talk to you guys very soon. And thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye.